Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CodeLogic. So today we are going to see how we can develop the faculty management system. So in this series of videos, we have seen various functionalities like creating the admin dashboard, creating the admin login. So in our previous video, we have seen how we can add the new faculties into our databases and also display in our front end, that is in Angular. So in this video we are going to see how we can get all the faculty details, and we'll try to show it in our front end Angular. And if you are new here, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the videos with your friends if you like the videos. And one more thing, if you want any kind of project, college project or any semester project, then you can contact us on our Instagram ID. Okay, now without wasting too much time, let's get started. So first we'll go inside our backend, and inside admin.js file we're going to create a one API endpoint to get the all faculty members details. Okay, to do that we'll use router.get method. We'll use endpoint as a faculty, and then we'll pass two parameters, request and response, and we'll call a method there, inside which we are going to call the method on faculty.find, which will contain again two parameters, error and the dog. If there is an error, we are going to write message on console.log, error occurred while fetching the faculty details. And we'll return response.status 400 and send error message. Okay, else result.status 200, and we'll send document. Now we go inside our front end, and inside the admin data service we are going to write new method there to get all employees, get all faculties, observable of type faculty array. Now here we'll return http.get faculty, and we'll pass that data URL. Okay, now we'll go inside our faculty.ts file. Here we'll write another method to get all the employees, inside which we'll call that data service dot get all employees method, get all faculties, and on that method we are going to subscribe and check for the result. If there is a result, that means we have got the data successfully. Otherwise, if there is error, then we'll print the message on console. So we got the result, then we'll print the data on console, and we have declared one variable, one array, all faculties, inside which we are going to assign the result, and in error we are going to write that error in a developer's window. Okay, now here in ng onInit method we are going to call this dot get all employees method, so that whenever the application reloads or refresh, then first thing will be we are going to get all the employees. Okay, get all employees. Now here in our faculty.html file, we are going to add the we are going to display data. So this is our second row. So here we are using the bootstraps classes. So inside card shadow, we are going to use card body, and we are going to write one text message, list of all faculties, and we'll print the table below. Okay, inside table we have created our header, department, mobile, email, name, and actions. And in t-body we have added the row. For each row, we are going to iterate over it. So here you can see the we have used ng for loop, and this is the all faculties. So all faculties is the variable which is an array of faculties, and by using that we are fetching the faculty number, faculty name, email, mobile, and department. And we have added here three buttons to view, edit, and delete each faculty. So yeah, so this is our front end looks like. So these are the some faculty members which I have added. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can contact us on our CodeLogic Instagram ID page. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.